Hello everyone. Let's learn how to replace the cabin filter for the Acura ADX, and the process should be the same for the Honda HR-V as well. So to start, you gotta open up the glove box because the filter is located behind the glove box, and just take out everything if you have anything in there. And the first thing that we gotta hit is this little latcher. We gotta push it down just to detach it from a little rod behind the lid there, and then at this point we got to take the sides of the glove box and squeeze in. You got to lift up a little bit and then just let it off, and then it'll detach. So just place it down carefully without scratching or damaging it, and that is the filter lid that we got to get off. So there's two latches that we press in. So I'm just working with one hand right now, so I'm hitting the left side and then the right side, and then it comes off just like that, nice and easy. There's the Honda part number for the replacement filter when it's time to replace it for you. I'm just pulling this out to do this video to show the community, but I'm going to put it right back in. So when you reinstall it, make sure that the airflow indicator is pointing downward, and it's going to show on the casing there as well, okay? So you just got to get it in position and just put it in carefully. Make sure there's no resistance. And once it's in, you just replace that lid, okay? So the yellow dot there should be on the right side. So then you just gotta position it and make sure that the latch on both ends line up, and then it should snap in place very lightly. You'll be able to feel and hear the snap, okay? So once it's secure, you're almost done. It's time for us to put back the glove box lid. So there's a little prong there you see. You just have to fit that prong into the hole there, and then it'll help position the lid like that, okay? So at that point, you can just push in on the side again there, and at this point, we need to re-secure the plastic latch. So the idea with that latch is it's like a hook, and then it locks into a little rod, okay? So it's gonna take a little bit of time to get right because you're kind of doing it blindly, but you just have to play around, and right there you see, you'll hear a snap. You just gotta move the lid up and down as you find the right spot, okay? So you're done. You just put everything back, lock it up,